Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and from Lenovo's booth I have in front of me the Legion Y740s gaming laptop. S meaning slim. While I was passing by, I looked at the laptop and I was like, hey, I know what that machine is. It's the Legion gaming laptop. It's a pretty signature look, but what was really cool is just how slim they've made this laptop. It's incredible, and when I picked it up, it was very light as well. Turned out the reason for that is that Lenovo has actually removed the discrete graphics chip from this laptop and are actually relying on an external GPU to turn this into a gaming machine. The Y740s is aimed at those gamers who have a eGPU setup sort of at home and would want to also then take the same laptop to their office where they would usually be engaged in work that is involving typing or PPTs, something like that, but not necessarily gaming. So pick up the laptop, it's super thin, take it to work, come back home, plug it into your eGPU, and that one Thunderbolt cable then does everything. Powers the laptop, powers your external display, powers your accessories if needed. All of that can go into your eGPU and it works beautifully well. As you can see from the gameplay over here, the experience is surprisingly good. The laptop itself is powered by 9th gen Intel Core processors and can support up to 32 gigs of RAM. It's a 15.6 inch 4K display with IPS panel and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. And is of course HDR 400 certified and supports Dolby Vision up to 500 nits for any content that is mastered in Dolby Vision. So thank you guys for watching this video, and for more cool stuff from CES, stay tuned to our channel.